Hi,
Hello.
can you hear me well?
Yeah, sure.
Great. Hi, my name is Indira. I'm from a Korean startup company, Letsee, and in Letsee, we are building web AR solutions. We believe in accessible augmented reality for both creators and the customers, people who access AR. And I guess you will learn more from my presentation.
Thank you. As she said, let's see is from a solar program.
Letsee is building stunning web AR environment. And when we say AR or augmented reality, there are probably a few cool mobile apps are coming to your mind. Some social media apps like Snapchat and Instagram with its filters, some AR games like Pokemon Go. IKEA and Porsche have great apps too. And just imagine with AR app, you can bring real size Porsche to your own space and even change the colors. However, to build that mobile app, it takes businesses many months and costs a lot of money. And then, after waiting and paying, they still need to beg and annoy their customers asking to download that application. And we hate downloading mobile apps. Average person uses same 20 apps every month. Because when we need something online, we don't download the app, we look it up on the web. This is the exact solution we are offering here. Do not build a new mobile app. Do not ask your customers to download it. Do it on the web. And we happen to provide software that makes it possible. Letsee Web AR Development Kit helps you to publish digital augmented reality content on the web. It's a low-code technology, so you don't need to hire new talents. AR experts, your existing technical team, they can do it. It's device agnostic, so it doesn't matter if your end customers prefer iPhone or Android users. We provide frictionless experience. No need to build mobile app, no need to ask anyone to download it. And it's HTML compatible, means that you don't need to rebuild your digital content. Whatever you have on the web can be augmented as it is. Curious how it works? This car is brought to the real world by web AR technology. With just one click through your phone's browser, no apps were built, no apps were downloaded. And this is powered by Letsee Web AR technology. You can change colors, you can look at it inside and outside. Cool, right? And you're probably curious about how do we make money. We license our software to digital agencies and service providers and collect the license fee. It's a usage-based subscription. Our significant client list includes many largest Korean corporations in different sectors. You can easily recognize Samsung, LG Electronics, and Hyundai Motors logos here. With our business constantly growing, this year we hit over 1.5 million US dollars in revenue, but we are not stopping here. So what's next? We are building a no-code drag and drop AR platform that lets anyone without a technical background customize and publish unlimited AR contents on the web. We are launching this in November at the Augmented World Expo. Who are we competing with? We have indirect competitors, companies that offer AR solutions that require mobile app, and direct competitors, those offering web AR solution. Our advantages are geographical. We are the only team in Asia offering web AR solution, and technical. It's only solution offering low-code software, that part where you don't have to hire new talents and don't have to rebuild your content. And we are the only one with the no-code platform that enables users without any technical background to customize and publish AR on the web. Here's the Letsee team. Our CEO is a mastermind behind the technology and author of the registered intellectual property. We have 10 patents issued in South Korea, European Union, and United States. Our team consists of members with solid academic and professional experience in augmented reality, IT business, marketing, and product planning. So yeah, we have a fully functioning team. And we have a working product, and we are on the track to millions dollars revenue and getting ready to launch a new product very soon. But now we want to expand globally, and that's why we are here. That's why we need your help. Thank you very much for your attention. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions here.
Great. Okay. Anyone else? Do you have any questions?
Hi, Spike here.
Yep.
So the AR objects that you have created, can it be ported to, say, a HoloLens or to another AR device subsequently?
Basically, anything that supports web browser can show this content. So any device that can open the browser, like Chrome or Safari or any other mobile or web browser, can showcase the content published with our software.
I've checked your website. It shows that the business model is based on the number of views, right?
Yeah, that's correct. It's a view-based subscription.
So if I were to download the model and subsequently embed it into like a device where there's no internet connection, I'm just using it for tourism or for whatever, different types of environment, how would that be possible?
No, it's not going to be possible because it's basically a website that brought to augmented reality. You will need internet connection. It's basically opening a website in your browser. However, this website is augmented.
Yeah, and the object sits on your cloud server, right? It's not something that is created and subsequently I will own that 3D objects.
No, you do own. We don't host anything on our own servers. We only provide the software. So because there are a lot of legal problems can occur between countries if we will save the data on our servers, and then the loading speed can be different. If we will serve something like 3D model in Korean servers, that will take forever for customers in other countries to load those. So only software, that's what we provide. We give basically lines of code. And then you can add it to your website, and your users and customers will be able to see the content. And it's hosted on your own servers.
Okay.
Okay, Lucas from Poland also have a quite interesting solution, but you have quite a lot of also competition on the market. I think about the process maybe, because as you said, the start of showing some AR images, this is the QR code and marker tracking, yeah. But you also mentioned about image tracking. Do you use also some kind of computer vision into start the process of showing AR images?
Well, currently we have updated our product, and the demo that I showed with the car, it doesn't require any marker. So basically you can bring object without tracking any object. You can bring it to the space, into the space. So it can be images. For images, if you're using, for example, AR package, it should be something flat. You cannot use a bottle. But for markerless AR, you can bring it to anywhere.
Okay. And could you tell us also a little bit more about some use cases, about usage of the technology? Maybe not the marketing for marketing, but if you realize some projects for some other purposes.
The project that I showed during my presentation, it's for Hyundai Motors. They launched a new car model today. Actually, the project went live today in South Korea. So basically anyone can bring the car to their space in the real size, just like as I showed an example with the Porsche. You can bring it to your space. You can look at it from outside, from inside. There are some animation buttons. You can turn on the lights. You can open the trunk. You can change the colors and see how it looks from interior and exterior. This is one of the examples. Or we had projects for LG Electronics where you're reading their magazine, you decided to see how the fridge looks. So you're bringing the fridge into your space and you push the buttons, you hear the explanation of the model. This type of experience are also. And we had a lot of projects, marketing projects for example, food and beverage companies. When you do AR packaging, they did some small campaigns. Those kind of a project we also have. And we also part of you probably heard about the Metaverse Alliance in Korea. And we are developing the Metaverse project too. This is something our team is currently very busy now.
Okay, thank you very much. I need the presentation. Thanks.
Okay, thank you very much.